Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we want to see how to create a simple barcode in Excel. Now barcodes are the numbers with several black lines that you see on every product you purchase. So to make a simple one of that kind using Excel, we are going to use a simple formula that seems complicated for other people, but as you will see, it is very simple. The only thing you need to know or you need to have within your computer or machine is a special font that you'll see us use here. So if you want to have it in your machine, ensure you download it so that you make such barcodes very easily. So what I'm doing right now is just making a simple place where the barcode and the numbers will be held for the purpose of this tutorial. So as you can see, I'm almost done with it, and we have the section for number, and that number we will use it to make the barcode. So let me just enhance these sides, and so let's see, we have a number like this and we want to change it into a barcode that can be scanned using the barcode scanner. So the only thing you have to do is to right click on the number, go to format cells, and choose format as text. Choose format as text. Now if you choose format as text, even the numbers will be considered text. So that is ideal for making a barcode which include both numbers and letters. So here you want to put this in a bracket, but it's a very special bracket. So what to do, just open the double quotes, then open the bracket, then put another double quotes, then place ampersand, then select the number which you want to put into bracket, then this it is E6, put another ampersand, close the double quote, close the bracket, and close the double quotes again. Just press enter. Now you will see that this number is now in its bracket. Now just go to fonts and choose this ID automation, click on it, and it will automatically become a barcode. So that the simplest tutorial I ever made on Excel. Now if you change this number, it will be reflected directly on the barcode. If you change the length of the number, the length of the barcode will also increase. Now let's see an example. As you can see, the length has increased. Then if you include the numbers and letters, again they will all be considered as text and it will form part of the barcode. As you can see, now the length of the barcode increases with the length of the digits you insert in the number section. So that is how you can make a simple barcode using Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching, and let's meet in another video.